Stock of the Day is brought to you by IG, Australia's #1 CFD provider. Trade over 17,000 markets with extended trading hours on key US shares and competitive spreads, all on an award-winning platform. Get started at IG.com.
And the stock of the day is MinRes, Mineral Resources. This after it sold a 30% stake in its lithium operations to South Korea's POSCO for $765 million US. The partnership gives POSCO a stake in the firm's 2 key lithium mines in WN. Mineral Resources will continue to operate the mines. It values MinRes lithium holdings at $3.9 billion. My guests today, Henry Jennings from Marcus Today, Andrew Whiteland from DP Wealth Advisory. Henry, I'll start with you on this one. Lithium is having a bit of a moment in the sun. Is this good timing for this deal with MinRes and POSCO?
We all have our moments in the sun, Nadine. I think it is a good deal. It is a cracking deal, actually. It does value their lithium business at around nearly $4 billion. And previously, the analysts had it penciled in around 2.7. So it is a cracking deal. And you get the feeling that Mineral Resources has played its get out of jail free card. You know, it wasn't long ago, it was trading below $20. Here we are at $51 plus. And it really was that debt pile that was the problem for Mineral Resources, apart from being splashed on the front page for corporate governance issues. But luckily, WiseTech's taken that mantle, and the debt has been paid down to some extent, the $5 billion in debt, which was concerning the market. This is a good deal. The September quarter was a very strong quarter as well. All divisions outperforming consensus, which is good. And lithium, as you rightly say, is having a bit of a renaissance, not on the electric vehicle story, which was the driving force of lithium boom 1.0, but lithium boom 2.0, more a boomlet than a boom, is predicated on energy storage systems and the ability to be able to store renewable energy in batteries, especially with the advent of all these data centers that are coming along. It is a good result for Mineral Resources. Chris Ellison has done a good job in turning this around and kind of calming the market in terms of that debt pile. There's still work to do, but lithium is helping, short positions helping, and this deal, I guess, cements his reputation to some extent in pulling one of the irons out of the fire. It is a good deal, and it does value the business higher than the market is ascribing any value to. So I think this one will continue to push higher. Not sure how much higher because it has run from $20 to $51, but certainly here it is definitely a very strong hold if there is any such thing.
Andrew, very strong hold or something else for MinRes?
Oh, look, I'd love to say buy, but to Henry's point just before, it's just been like a rocket, and certainly the deal that they've done today and selling those assets above what has been carried on the books, it's a testament to the work of Chris and the team there. But generally, when you see their share price pops, then the gap needs to be filled. The share price comes off the boil. So today it's a hold, but if it was to slip back into the 40s, then I'd certainly be paying a very close attention to it, because you're seeing a lot of the shorts, that sort of short interest is really just being covered at the moment. So we just need to get that out the way first. So it's a hold for the time being.
Andrew, Henry, thank you. It's a hold for our stock of the day, MinRes.
The stock of the day was brought to you by IG. Trade over 12,000 shares and ETFs, including major tech giants with extended hours on an award-winning platform. Get started at IG.com.